Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Aspire Knowledge. Hi, I am Japneet and I am conducting this session. And today we are going to do new topic of EVS, that is good habits. But before starting the topic, I should remind you to subscribe my channel for more updates of your EVS subject. Let's start. First of all, early to bed, early to rise makes a person healthy, wealthy and wise. So, my dear students, you should always remember your first good habit should be that you should go to your bed early and you should wake up early in the morning. That will make you healthy and wealthy and wise for your whole life. Next good habit is to brush your teeth twice daily. So, how many times you have to brush your teeth? You have to brush your teeth twice, 2 times a day, so that your teeth should be germs free and cavity free. Third one, maintain toileting habits and flush properly. So, whenever you go to toilet, please do flush it. It's really important for your and other person's hygiene who is going after you to the toilet. Next one, take bath daily. So you should take bath daily as it keeps you hygienic, healthy and germs free. And also stink free. You will not stink in the day. Next one, wash your hands before and after meal. So always wash your hands before and after meal, and these days due to COVID-19 we are following this every few hours or every set of time that we should wash our hands properly with soap. Alright, so you should be doing this regularly. Next good habit is to dress up neat and tidy clothes. So whenever you go to school or to party or to mall or for any shopping or anything outside your house, you should dress up properly. But when you're staying at your home, should you wear good clothes or bad clothes? No, you should not be wearing bad kind of clothes. You should be wearing neat and tidy clothes because they make you presentable, good looking and also maintains hygiene. That means you will be germ free. Right. So wherever you go or stay in your home, you should dress up in neat and tidy clothes. Next one, comb your hair daily. So very important that you should comb your hair after taking bath and dressing up. You should be combing your hair daily. Why? That will keep your hair healthy and germs free. And also if you don't comb your hair, they will be tangled together and there may be lice in it. So you should not take the risk. Now move on to next one. Avoid junk food. Yes, you should not be eating junk food all the time. Yes, once in a while, once in a week or 15 days, it's good to change your taste. But it is not good to have junk food daily. Alright, so you should avoid this habit. Now next one, eat healthy food and balanced diet. So what is healthy food? Eating vegetables, fruits, pulses, cereals, all these are healthy food and you should be taking in proper amount so that you can have a balanced diet and maintain yourself. Now next one is go to school daily on time. So you should be waking up on a proper time and you should be exercising and then brushing and toileting and taking bath and dressing up and combing your hair and arriving your school daily on time. You should be punctual for that. Next one, greet your elders, teachers and your friends. So you should properly greet your elders, friends and teachers. How do we greet them? We say hi or hello to our friends, of course, and good morning or good afternoon or good evening to our teachers. And what do we say to our elders? That is according to your family. Namaste, Sat Shri Akal, or whatever the way you greet your elders or guests, you should be greeting them. Now next one is always raise your hand to answer or to ask question. So where do you answer or where do you ask questions? Of course in a classroom. So you should be raising your hands for your turn. Don't ever shout, ma'am this, ma'am that, I want to say this, I want to ask that. Just raise your hand and wait for your turn. That is a good manner. Next one, say please, sorry and thank you. These are the three golden words, magical words you should be saying. If you want something from someone, you should be saying please. And if you have done something wrong, then you should be saying sorry. And if somebody gave something to you, then you should be saying thank you. So this is a very good habit. Now the next one is be attentive in classroom. So while your teacher is telling you something or explaining you something, you should be attentive and listening carefully to your teachers. Alright? Next one, be good friends. So remember the rule that to help your friends and be good friends with them. Don't ever hurt them. Always try to help them. Next one, be honest with others. So honesty is the best policy. Why? When you will be honest, everyone will be honest with you and respect you. So be honest. Next one is you must follow the rules. Which rules? Traffic rules, or maybe the rules made by your teacher in the classroom. So you should not be crossing red light. You should not be parking where it is not allowed. You should always cross road on the zebra crossing. You should be walking on the footpath. So there are the basic rules of traffic. You should be following that. Now you must clean your room. A very basic good manner. To help your mother, you can clean your mess yourself. Alright? You should not be troubling your mothers. You should be cleaning them by yourself. Next one, exercise daily and play outdoor games. So this is a very good habit. If you exercise daily, it will keep you fit and fine and also very much active. So play outdoors. The outdoor games keep you fit and fine, and exercise maintains your health. Next one, do not pluck flowers. So this is a very basic rule and a good manner that whenever you go to a park or see flowers, never pluck them because they are also living things and they may be hurt. So don't hurt them by plucking them. Next one, do not yell at others. So yell means shout. So you should not be shouting at others or your friends or elders. That is a very bad thing. You should be talking to them properly in polite manner. Do not litter and throw garbage in dustbin. So you should not be littering around on the floor or roads. You should be throwing the garbage in dustbin. Next one, be a good listener. So whenever your teacher or mother or anyone is telling you a story or explaining you a chapter or anything, you should be listening them carefully. Next one, never bully or tease others. That means you should not be troubling anyone or beating anyone or scolding anyone. Be nice and polite to everyone around you. Alright? Next one is always share with others. So this is a very good habit to share your things, your objects, your toys or your candies, whatever the things you have, you should be sharing with your friends, family and other people. Sharing is caring. So start sharing from now. Let's see the next one. Use handkerchief while sneezing or coughing. So you should be using handkerchief. If you don't have handkerchief, use tissue to sneeze or cough so that your germs are inside that handkerchief, not in the air, so that they can infect others. Alright? Next one, always help others. So if someone is hurt, you should be helping them. Or if elder wants to cross the road or they want a seat in the bus, you should be offering them and helping them. Next, stand in a queue and wait for your turn. So whenever you're getting inside the classroom or you're getting inside the bus or train, you should be standing in a queue and waiting for your turn. Don't ever push anyone who is standing in front of you. Alright? Next one, maintain good reading habit. So always maintain a good reading habit while you are sleeping or you are free. That will enhance your communication skills, vocabulary, and also you will be able to make sentences in English. Alright? So today is a reader, tomorrow a leader. So this is the better slogan if you will be reading properly. Thank you everyone for watching and I hope you liked it, and please do follow these good habits. Alright, bye bye, take care, stay home, stay safe, and do not forget to subscribe my channel for more EVS updates.